Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is 3 websites to make money from Google using the power of Google. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the 3 websites to make Google money. So the very first one I'm going to talk about is blogging. Blogging is the great way to leverage Google money. You can create a blog about anything and make some money from that. And I'm talking about real money. Like, there's 2 ways to go about this. One is to get on a huge market like, mums or something like that. And that's going to be very helpful. You could advise people to buy whatever, like to help their babies or something like that. Or maybe you could go into soccer. Soccer is a huge one. So that's a way that you're going to be able to make, a big amount of money because there's a lot of people in that niche. Therefore, you can, make a lot of sales. The second way, which I believe is the best way to do this, is to get high commissions. So it might not be as big of a market, but you could get high commissions with that. So create a blog around something completely different. Maybe it's, making money online because this is what I'm talking about, or something completely different. Or maybe you're getting, tech or something like that, or the best fridge to buy in 2019, and, make an article about the best fridge to buy. And all of these are going to be affiliate links. So you're going to talk about why it's so good, maybe make some comparison videos and put both links, and just in the text say, if you're interested in that fridge, here's the link, or you can buy it on Amazon right there. And that is how you're going to be able to make some money, because even though maybe there aren't going to be as many people buying it, then there's going to be, like, as soon as somebody buys it, you're going to get a high commission. So maybe it's going to be 200, 300, 500, maybe it's going to be $1,000, depending on your product that you are going to be able to get. So maybe if you sell something for, $5,000, then you're going to get, $1,000, $2,000, and that's, just one single sale. So that's how you're going to be able to do this. So blogging is a very good way to do this, because people are going to be able to search for it on YouTube, on Google. They're going to search for a fridge, end up on your blog, and you're going to end up making money from that. And they can do that in 2, 3, 4, 5 years and still find your blog. And there's another way and this leads us to the second way, and that is YouTube. YouTube is exactly the same. It's going to be, if you make a video, people will be able to find it 10 years from now. And, still, if you provide valuable content that's still relevant, then people are going to be able to find that. So YouTube is a great way, and it works exactly the same. You could do, high ticket items, or something that I would advise a bit less on YouTube is to go for a broad market, because people are trying to find something very specific usually on YouTube. So it's going to be a lot harder for you to scale, but you can still have some big markets, that are still specific. Another way to make some money, which is exactly what I do, is, affiliate marketing, but then it's recurring income. So maybe you're trying to sell some kind of software, and this works for blogging as well, where you're going to be able to sell something and then get a commission month after month after month, and this is what is going to bring you the money. So maybe you're going to make 5 sales one month, then the next month you're only going to make 2 sales, but you're still making more money than the first month, because people are still paying from that first month. So if you do that over 12 months or 24 months or 10 years, you're going to make a huge amount of money, because the people that started off like a year ago are still paying you. That's, you know, people can drop off and will drop off, but if you make more sales than people that are dropping off, then you're going to make some money. So one way to like amplify this, and that's whether you're blogging or, you know, doing YouTube, is sales funnel. If you build a sales funnel, and I have a link to Builderall in the description, which is the best way in my opinion to do this. You don't have to get any add-ons or anything like that. Everything is included in there, and it's the cheapest way to do this. You also get a free trial, so make sure that you click the link in the description if you're interested in doing blogging or YouTube, because that will absolutely take you to the next level, especially if you're trying to sell high commission or recurring income. So one way to do this is, you know, have that link in your blog or in your YouTube channel instead of your affiliate link. So when people click on that, they're going to end up on your sales page or on your capture page, that's what it's called, and they're going to enter their name and email, and then they're going to get sent to, you know, your affiliate link. But then you can send them emails over and over again. And to people that say email marketing is dead, it's absolutely not. That's like, think about it. How many emails do you receive all the time, people trying to sell you something? And that's because it's actually making money. So, you know, email marketing is, you know, probably the best way to market online, if, you know, especially if people actually know you from your blog or your YouTube channel. And you know, you could send them to the same link over and over and over again, you know, explaining why it's so good. But you could also, you know, send them to something else, because you have their email and you know that they're interested in that specific niche. So that is why it's a very, very good thing to do. If you don't have a sales funnel, you don't really have a business. So make sure that you actually have a sales funnel. So this was my video for today. I hope that this was very, very helpful to you, because it's something very simple but also very important, that, you know, you do one of these two things or build a sales funnel, because that's the way the world is going right now. Like, especially video, but digital marketing, it was announced not very long ago, I think a few days ago, that people are spending way more on ads on digital this year than on anything else, than on traditional marketing, which didn't exist a few years ago or even last year. So that proves that, you know, digital marketing is where it's going right now. And if you can actually get some free traffic, then it's even better. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.